at Naked Taco in Coconut Creek, Florida.
Now, the people here might like to eat their tacos naked, but today we're teaching them how to drink their beer dressed. Do you guys drink your beers naked?
Yes.
Lovely.
I guess so, yeah.
Ooh, do I drink my beer naked? No, I always wear clothes when I drink my beer.
I drink it in my bathroom when I take a shower.
Occasionally.
Wild night? Okay.
I'm married.
Oh, married. Okay, with
Yeah.
his wife. Okay.
You gotta keep it exciting.
Most of the time.
I'm actually not a beer drinker.
We're gonna convert you into a beer drinker today and teach you how to dress your beer so that you can like beer. First, you're gonna coat the rim of your beer with the lime.
I hope I can remember all of this because I'm really not a good listener. Do it together now, okay? All right.
Disinfecting it.
It is. It's disinfecting it.
I never disinfecting a bottle in my life, but okay, I do it for you guys.
I do this, right? Perfect.
Get it all over.
Got the lime going. Everybody paying attention here?
That lime doesn't even
You guys all paying attention?
The lime is out of juice, 100%.
Now what am I doing?
Now, with your lime beer salt, you're going to drizzle it all over the top of that bottle.
We're just getting it everywhere.
Get it everywhere. Get crazy with it. Get crazy.
Trust me, I like to season my stuff.
Yeah.
You're a superstar.
Hey, so in the strip club.
Get in there, though.
Yeah, I'm getting it on it. I didn't want to get any on you guys. You know, I'm trying to be respectful.
And you can put this on chips as well?
Yeah.
Boom.
Did Twang hire him or us? I don't know.
And Steven, you can put this on chips as well. Can we? Yes. You can bake breads with it.
I think you killed it. It's literally white. It's a white Christmas on that beer.
It's snowing over here.
Now you're going to lick it and sip it.
Lick it and sip it. For real? On camera? You want me to lick it and sip it? On camera? All right. Lick it and sip it. No, God. Wow, this is actually really good. It's good. No, this is good. Oh, I'm sorry, I cursed. Now I drink my beers naked.
No, you drink your beers dressed.
Oh, we're gonna have to cut and do it over.
Okay.
No, I told you I'm a bad listener.
Say it again.
Yeah.
Woo! Ooh, it's actually very good.
I look like a ringing endorsement
Nice,
right there. I
nice,
think,
beautiful taste. I like it.
Wow, he's going back for more. That's a good sign.
Okay, that's a vibe. I like that.
That's a vibe.
That's a vibe, big vibe.
He's putting it inside now, inside the beer. That's the way to do it.
What do you think?
Really good. I actually like micheladas and stuff like that, and that's what it gives me. Yeah, michelada vibes.
So are you a beer drinker now?
Yeah, as long as I have one of the lime salts with me.
That's pretty freaking good.
Do you drink your beers naked or dressed?
Not after this, dressed. After trying this, dressed.
Well, now I'll be putting clothes on it.
Yeah.
I'm absolutely going with my beer salt.
Yes, baby.
This is it.
Here, I'm gonna give you 3.
Oh, look, I got 3, Steve.
Stack.
So I get the big prize.
Dress, fully clothed.
Dressed. All day.
Baby, all day dressed.
So she drank the whole thing in one sitting. I think she likes it. It's fair to say.
I think I like it better dressed.
That's a great answer.
Surprise!
Please don't drink naked.
Do it.
Yeah, don't drink naked. Don't drink naked. Don't drink naked. You gotta be fully dressed.
Yes.